In front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and access the battery section. Now scroll all the way down and choose more battery settings. Following that, tap on this switcher next to high performance mode and click on OK in the pop-up. As you can see, higher performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!